Yoga's unifying features. Yoga, the ancient practice that originated in India, has transcended borders and cultural barriers to become a unifying force. The concept of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, meaning of the world is one family, encapsulates the essence of unity and oneness promoted by yoga. It highlights our interconnectedness and the shared responsibilities for one another's well being. Yoga serves as a powerful tool for personal and collective well being, fostering unity and harmony. Yoga has been a global phenomenon uniting people from diverse background in the 21st century. Originating from the Sanskrit word yuj, meaning to join or to unite. Yoga represents the harmonious integration of mind and body, thought and action, and human and nature. It is a holistic discipline that combines physical postures, asanas, breathing exercise, pranayam, meditation, and ethical principles to promote physical, mental, and spiritual well being. Its widespread practice has fostered a sense of global solidarity and shared purpose, contributing to overall health and happiness of individuals across cultures and nations. The expansion of yoga is an extension of the idea that encompasses the entire world as one family. When people come together in a common place with a common purpose, they often discover that they have a lot in common. Yoga provides the place and the purpose, facilitating the formation of communities, both virtually and physically. Yoga means union. So it is no surprise that this practice is particularly suited to communion when we open our hearts and work on every part of ourselves. It only follows that we would extend the same courtesy to our fellow humans on the neighboring mats. When confidences are exchanged, bonds are formed, going through intense physical experiences together makes people feel close. When there are so many conflict and problems like terrorism, when there are so many global issues, yoga gives us a sense of balance. It even gives countries in search of peace and unity. Yoga extends beyond mere physical exercise, serving as a pathway to inner unity with oneself, the global community, and the natural world. Yoga serves as a powerful tool for cultural exchange, bringing together individuals from diverse backgrounds. It transcends language barriers and fosters understanding, respect, and appreciation for different cultures. By practicing yoga together, people form connection based on shared experiences, fostering unity and celebrating our common humanity. As the popularity of yoga continues to grow, its future holds immense potential for inspiring health and harmony. The integration of yoga in educational institutions, health care settings, and corporate environments can promote overall well being. Yoga offers a transformative journey of self discovery, mental well being, and cultural exchange. Yoga events and festivals, both large scale and community based, serve as vibrant celebrations of unity and oneness. These gatherings bring together yoga enthusiasts, teachers, and spiritual leaders from different parts of the world and create a sense of global connection. The Yoga Sutra are a practical textbook to guide our spiritual journey of remembering who we really are. According to yoga, we suffer because of the illusion of separation between our individual consciousness and universal consciousness or Brahmi Chetana. The Yoga Sutra are a practical guide to our spiritual journey of remembering that Union International Yoga Day serves as a platform to spread the message of yoga's positive impact on individuals and society as a whole. It has played a crucial role in popularizing yoga across the globe, leading to increased participation in yoga classes, workshops. The theme of International Yoga Day 2023 is Yoga for Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. वसुधैव कुटुंबकम मीन्स पूरी पृथ्वी हमारा संसार है, परिवार है। पूरे संसार के लोग हमारा परिवार, एक परिवार है। ऑन जून 21, 2023 nations throughout the world, the festivities at the United Nations headquarters, which was attended by representatives from over 180 countries, and furthermore 250 million people had attended the event. The day was an enriching and enlightening one. So yoga's unifying feature. Thanks. Jai Gurudev.